Here's the deal. If this business doesn't work for you, it just doesn't work. So the key to ensuring your business actually works for you is you have to prioritize profit. So over the next 3 days, we're going to talk about a profit strategy as well as a profit first cash management system. Don't get caught up in the verbiage. We're going to talk about it and what those are, how to use them, how to implement it into your day to day, and what you actually need to ensure that you can fulfill those strategies so you can actually implement them. And then we're going to end it on debunking all your excuses on why this won't work. Because I'm going to be real with you. Profit first is really simple. You take that and you combine it with profit strategy, and yes, there's a difference. You have the key to running a business that not only works for you personally, but also works for you professionally. And it also allows your business to run as you envision. Okay, so let's jump into day one. If you are new to our circle, my name is Cheryl. I do have a business partner. Her name is Katrina. We have decades of experience. I personally have a master's degree in accounting. We have a team of US-based accountants. We have been at this for a while now. We have owned our own business for over the past 5 years and have done it for 10 plus years previously. To say this is our jam is an understatement. So that's just a quick about us and our team. Let's get into what profit strategy is. Now, I swear to you, this is not going to be a long drawn out webinar because I don't like them, you don't like them. So let's just get right down to the facts. Profit strategy is the key to ensure that your revenue that your business generates is optimized for your vision, both personally and professionally. So said another way, profit strategy is ensuring that money that comes into your business is used in the best way possible that aligns with your vision, and your vision not only professionally, but also personally. Now, in contrast, Profit First is a book, a really good book written by Mike Michalowicz, and it provides you an easy to follow strategy that emphasizes the owner, you, putting more of your revenue into your personal account. It's basically a cash management strategy. We love the Profit First system, but I want to be clear, this system was not written by accountants. As a former Profit First professional, and when I say former, all that means is I'm not willing to pay them that monthly subscription fee, so I can't use that words. It is a great system. I have read that book in and out. I've taken tests to talk all about it. What it is missing a key part though. It is missing the strategy on how we to optimize that money. But let's not get lost in the woods. Let's talk about why the Profit First system works. And we're also going to talk about why profit strategy works when you take it a little bit further. So first, let's break down the Profit First system. What the Profit First system does is it tells you the way to allocate the money once it comes into your bank, right? So once you receive it, where should those money goes? And it's going to capitalize on what you already do, right? The reason why the Profit First system is so easy for non-accountants, non-bookkeepers, non-CPAs, right? The majority of business owners are not accountants, CPAs, or bookkeepers. But the reason why this system works is because it's just telling you what account to put your money in. And once you put your money in that account, it allows you. And once your money is in that account, you can use the habits you already have. Let's be real. If you want to know if you can purchase something, what are you likely to do? You're likely to pull up and check your bank account, right? Do I have money to go make the purchase? That's what the Profit First system does. It allows you to see what funds you have available to operate your business off of with an easy pull up your bank statement. This system also ensures that you are paying the most important person in your business first. Now, do you know who the most important person in your business is? Yep, it's you. It's not your star employee. It's not a team member. The most important person in your business is you. And the profit first system ensures that you are taken care of. Because if we can be really honest, the majority of business owners do not take care of the owner, and as a result, the business shuts down. So this system allows you to pull up your bank balance and know how much money you have available to operate your business off of. It also tells you, and we're going to break it down tomorrow in the how to do this, but it also tells you where to allocate your money to once it comes in. And it uses an easy bank account system, so it's simple to set up. Now let's talk about why this works. Have you ever heard of the Parsons Law? Let me know down below if you've heard of Parsons Law. So what this principle suggests is that expenses tend to rise to meet the income that you have, right? So if you have $10,000 in your expense account, the majority of business owners are spending $10,000. But when you implement Profit First, your entire revenue stream is not going into one account. Why? Because then your expenses align with the dollars that are in the account. So Profit First ensures that you are paying yourself. You are setting aside funds to pay Uncle Sam, because let's be real, in the US, the one thing that comes no matter what is taxes. It ensures that your business has a savings, but also an opportunity to give you a bonus. And Profit First, lastly, ensures that there are funds available to run your business off of. But by segregating those accounts, by segregating your money into those 5 different ways, it's actually 4 different ways plus a revenue account. We'll get into that tomorrow. It ensures that your expenses don't equal your revenue. Because let's be real, what happens if your expenses equal your revenue? You have a business model that doesn't work. Okay, so that's what Parsons Law is. It's also known as like lifestyle inflation. That's a common one. So here is where like the key comes in, and we're going to talk about how to implement this system tomorrow and give like the nitty gritty of like exactly what to do broken down really quickly, because no one's got time for some really long drawn out webinar, and in some of your cases a really long book. The combination is the key. It's when you take that Profit First system of segregating your revenue into different accounts and you combine it with a profit strategy. So we use a dashboard and we plan our funds. That combination is going to ensure that your business is aligning with what you want as the owner. It ensures that you are paid. You have money set aside for taxes. It ensures that your business has a little nest egg in case there's an emergency. But also, when you combine the Profit First system with profit strategy as we teach it, and you can find it on this channel for absolutely free, when you combine those two, you know how to utilize your funds so they align with your vision for your company. In part 2, we are going to go over how to implement not only the Profit First system, but also profit strategy. So you can have that holistic approach to run your business off of, ensure that you are paid and your revenue is really optimized to align with what you envision. So make sure you stick to part 2. Once again, it's going to be a quick video. We're going to go through it really quick on exactly how to implement these systems. And then the third part of this 3-part video series will be showcasing exactly what you need to implement it. So tomorrow we're going to talk about how to implement, and then in the part 3 video we will talk about what you need to implement.